Cut a piece of low-tack tape long enough to cover the leaf lengthwise and position it on the leaf down the centre. Burnish the edge lightly with your fingers. Brush on a thin, even coat of metal leaf sizing to the leaf with a paintbrush and leave it to become tacky. Tear off a piece of gold leaf just large enough to cover the leaf and then press it onto the surface. Use a soft paintbrush to smooth out any wrinkles. Remove the excess gold leaf by pulling it away and then brush the edges clean. Pull away the tape carefully. Position a ruler 3/16 of an inch from the edge of the gold leaf, and then place marks 3/16 of an inch apart until you get to within half an inch of the end. Use a 60-degree triangle ruler to draw lines from each pencil mark to the edge of the leaf. Cut along the pencil lines with sharp scissors to create a fringe. Cut a piece of cup chain 2 1/4 inches long. Place the last link in a cup chain end and then close the claws over the crystal with pliers to secure it. Open a jump ring, hook on the loop of the cup chain end and close it. Open another jump ring, turn over the leaf and insert it through one of the holes. On the front, hook on the cup chain so that the crystals are facing the front and then pinch the leaf together so you can insert the jump ring through the second hole. On the back, hook on the earring wire, making sure it's facing the right direction, and close the jump ring. Pinch the top of the leaf and pull the jump ring over the top to give it a cupped shape, and you're done. Make a second earring, placing the gold leaf and fringe on opposite sides to the first leaf.